Hello friends. Today I want to criticize Phil Padmavata in this video. But before starting the video, I want to convey your attention to my disclaimer. Friends, my intention is not to hurt any community, any political party, any film critic, any actor, producer, director, or any kind of person in the society. Friends, in this video, I only criticize this film on the basis of Indian dramaturgy or Indian Natya Shastra. Friends, I want to convey attention to the principles of making film, to the Indian principles of making film, but are described in Natya Shastra written by Bharat Muni or later books like Sahitya Darpana, Das Rupaka, etc. etc. Friends, everybody knows that there was a huge objection on Phil Padmavata. Especially Karni Sena raised an objection on this film. Friends, I am not a historian, but I only want to criticize this film on one thing. Friends, there are two types of methods to make a film or drama: Lokadharmi and Natyadharmi. What is Lokadharmi method? I explain. Friends, in Lokadharmi method, a filmmaker or a producer doesn't do any kind of change in historical facts for making films. A filmmaker doesn't add any dancing movement, any singing movement, or any other kind of movement in his story. He has to use virtual facts. He has to use facts in his film as those are described in historical pages. That is called Lokadharmi method. But it is very rural method. It is not a good method. And what kind of producer or director or filmmaker will want to use a rural method for making a film? Every filmmaker will use some electable method. Everybody knows this thing. Lokadharmi is a rural method because what is the intention of making film in India? Entertainment is a prime goal of making film in Indian theory. And if filmmaker doesn't do any change in any minor change, I am not talking about some major changes. I am only talking about some minor change like dancing, singing. These types of movements could be added by a filmmaker in his film. That is called other method, Natyadharmi. Understood? In Lokadharmi, I repeat again, in Lokadharmi method, filmmaker cannot change minor facts. Filmmaker is not able to do any kind of change in historical facts. He has to use the facts as they are described in historical pages. But in other hand, in Natyadharmi method, filmmaker is able to do some singing, dancing, or costume facts regarding singing, dancing, or costume. He is able to change some minor facts like poet Kalidasa, Mahakavi Kalidasa changed a minor fact in his drama Vigyan Shakuntalam. What kind of minor change? He added the Durvasa curse, the curse of Durvasa there in his drama Vigyan Shakuntalam. Because this is a principle of Natyadharmi, this is a method of Natyadharmi, which is the best method to make a film. Poet Bhavabhuti changed minor facts in his drama Uttaramcharitam. Why? Because they used Natyadharmi method, and Natyadharmi method is the best method is the finest method to make a drama or make a film. Therefore, Mr. Sanjay Leela Bhansali used Natyadharmi method. He added some dancing, singing, regarding costume, minor facts. That is called Natyadharmi method. By this method, Mr. Sanjay Leela Bhansali directed a film, he produced a film that is called Natyadharmi method, which is the best method, which is the finest method, which is the delectable method in Indian dramaturgy for making a film or making a drama. So, I am very thankful to Mr. Sanjay Leela Bhansali and all the characters of this film, Deepika Padukone, Ranveer Singh, Shahid Kapoor, etc. Because they played the roles very well, and Mr. Sanjay Leela Bhansali directed the film, produced the film on the basis of Indian principle, which is called Natyadharmi method. And every filmmaker, every film director, and every film producer should use the principles of Indian dramaturgy. Thanks.